y'all. I'm Queen Latifah. You may know me as the Queen of Hip Hop, but today, I'm the Queen of Small. What is small, I hear you ask? Small is the home of small business. You know the mom and pop shops run by the son and daughter and their son and daughter? It's the ice cream shop born out of love. Or the community coffee shop built on something bigger. That's why Small is such a big deal to Lenovo, providing small businesses with aid and mentorship through Lenovo Evolve Small. They even recruited me to be the face of the campaign. In fact, I'm going to be the face of thousands of campaigns for small businesses all across North America. You can thank me later. So listen up, Small is out there and it's thriving, ready for y'all to visit. What are you waiting for? Visit Lenovo.com/evolve small to find out how to make me the face of your small business.